Today I'm going to be decorating my car. I got my car last week on my birthday, which was September 10th. Big 16. But anyways, I got a 2006 Ford Fusion. So the stuff that I got, I didn't get no car seats because I was looking on Amazon and some of the car seats wasn't looking good. They were pretty, but I didn't think they would look good in my car because my car is like, I don't know, like I just feel like it won't go look right, so I didn't buy none. And plus they're tan, like if you can see, they're tan. But I really want to buy some, but I don't. So let's just get into this video. I don't know if any of y'all know what a Ford Fusion look like inside, but this is the front. Don't mind the little matte thing. I'm gonna get the car clean. I just want to decorate it. So this is the driver's side. This is the seats. The other day my brother spilled some juice in it, and all my dad did was dab the juice up, and it came up like there's no stains in it. But this is the front. There's no aux to it, so you can't plug like a cord into it. This is like, don't mind the mask. This, I have to use it for some stuff. But I gotta clean this in there. And then the center card that I got is Celebrate right there. So I got that. Up here, got changes, some gum. And then it's like another one under here. This right, I have to use this right here. And I plug it like into the like cigarette lighter thing right there, and then you connect it to a station, and then you use that station, and I plug the cord into my phone right here. So yeah, that's how I play music. So then this is the passenger side, and then this is the back. But yeah, he spilled the juice like over there, but you can't see it. It's gone, like there's no stain. And yes, they have mats. I just need to vacuum clean them. So I have my box right here. First thing that I got is this wireless thing. Oh, what is it called? I'm just gonna say a wireless charger. So I got this in my car, so like I won't have to. I don't like cords. I don't want cords all over my car, so I just got a wireless thing. But when I opened the box and I looked at it, it has a cord, which made me mad. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm thinking that I could just take it in my house after I use my car when I want to go to home and go to sleep. All I gotta do is charge it at night and then bring it to the car. No, you have to use a USB adapter, and then it's like a little plug thing that you plug the charger into. Oh, when I tell you I was so mad, but hey, I got a wireless charger and it was cheap. A second, I'll just link all the products down in the description and the prices that I got them for, because I really do not know how much this stuff costs. But yeah, the first product I got is the wireless charger, so I'm gonna open it up and show you what it looks like after pop. This is the only thing that I opened that was quick that I could open. So it's like this, and it's so pretty when it's plugged up. These things right here, it's like, it's like that little black line right here. When I plug it up, it starts out blue. Yeah, it starts out blue, and when you put your phone into it, it's green. So it's basically telling you, when it's green, it's telling you that it's charging. When it's blue, it's telling you it's ready for something to be put right there, so you could charge it. So I'm gonna plug it up so I can show you. Be right back. Why I did want anything with a cord, because I don't want to see a cord right here all day long. But it's got the little piece that goes in here, and like all you gotta do is press this button to make it loose so you can be able to put it into your air vent. But this is what it looks like. So all you do is, you see these little two buttons right here. Yep, you put your finger right there and you tap it, and then it opens up like that, and you set your phone in there. So I like that part where I ain't gotta unloosen the two sides to make it open. But yeah, I like that. I really do. And then it got the little blue light where it tells you nothing is in there. You can put something in there to charge it. So that's a plus. I like that. I really do like that. Yep. So I am using the little wireless thing to hold my phone up. So the next, hold on. The next thing I got is, what is this thing doing? Bruh. It just opened. Bruh. Okay, the next thing I got is this little, what is this? Car mount. It says it right there. Car mount. I do not know how much it costs, so it'll be in the description. I'm trying to open it. Okay. So I don't think I will like it. Bad. It got this thing that says bad on it. Oh, I don't think you can see it. But yes, it's bad. Oh, and it says good on this side. So, basically, I didn't even have to look inside of it, because as soon as I seen them stars, I'm like, nope. Ooh, this is sticky. Bruh. I am scared to put some sticky on my car. I don't know. But I got this little car mount to like do videos with y'all. And these things open. These things open when you put your phone in there. So I'm gonna set this up real quick. This is what it looks like. I already hate it. I really already hate it. It didn't take me that long to put it up there. But I wanted to see if I could take it off. I already hate it. Bruh, when I tell you I hate it so bad, I hate it so bad. The stickiness, it sticks alright. Once you put it on there, I don't know what kind of car you got, but I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it off. See, I got it. I was able to get it off and make my finger hurt, and it sticks. It's the stickiness. It comes off. It don't come off the interior or nothing, but it'll come off. Like you got nails on, your nails will be sticky for a couple of seconds. Unless you're gonna rub it off real quick, then I don't know. I don't like it. But it sticks, alright. It's not moving or nothing, see. It's stuck there. But you can like put something under here, like it got this little clip thing right here. You pop it up, it can move around and stuff. And then you push it down and it stays. So it's kind of good, but I don't like the stickiness. I hate the stickiness. But if you pop that thing back up, you can get under here where that clear thing is. If you got nails on, I would not do it, because you might take your whole nail off. Like you can get something super thin and put it under there to get it off. But I don't like it because of the stickiness. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like from my point of view with the camera. So here we go. So this is the view of with the tripod. Like, let me see. Is that, oh, we right here. So okay. Okay, I like it, but I don't like it. Really, I didn't even need it, because like the little wireless thing that right here, I think that would have been way better. So if I were you, if you just gonna, matter of fact, if I were you, just get the wireless thing. You could record like that. That'd be good. I really don't like the mount because of the stickiness. But other than that, if it was like a suction cup, I will say get it. Matter of fact, if you're trying to plug your phone up and you're gonna be on like a long road, just get the wireless thing. Because either way, all you need is a cigarette lighter. You be alright. But the mount thing, I do not think it was worth it for how much it was, because it was not cheap at all. It was not around $20 at all, I think. Either way, it was not worth the price. So I don't recommend it at all. I'm gonna put the boxes right here. I'm gonna get it up anyway. So the second thing I got is this like gear shift thing, because I have a gear shift. I don't have like the thing that go right here where you pull it. I don't have that. Which I ain't nothing wrong with the cars that have that. I think the gear shift is more better because, like, say if you like trying to hurry up and do something, gear shift, you ain't gotta worry about the little thing because I think the thing right here, it takes too much time. It just takes too much time for me. So that's a little gear shift thing right here, and it's like, ooh, it's like velvety, velvety. I don't know how to say that word right. But it's like velvety with little diamonds on it, and like the steering wheel, it's like they're the same diamonds. Like they didn't come together. I had to buy it separately, which I ain't bugging about it. I needed it anyways, so I'm finna put it on gear shift here. Let's see, okay. I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna fit. I'll be back with y'all real quick. Thing look like, it's like diamonds. I got the flash on, so like it'll shine. But yeah, it's like these little rainbow diamonds. I like that. I really do. There you go. But I like that. It's pretty. It really matches the wheel. So that's what the gear shift cover looks like. So the next thing that I got these lights, but I'm gonna do that last. And then plus I'm gonna have to come back out here when it get dark. I really did this when it was like I'm recording me decorated, like when it's like the sun about to go down a little bit, so I can come back out here before I gotta get ready to go to bed. So I got this steering wheel thing for my car because it just looks plain. Since I didn't get covers, it just looks plain. So I might as well. I got a steering wheel, and plus I was either way it go. I was gonna get a steering wheel anyways, cause my car, it just looks plain. It just looks boring. Like I don't want to get in my car and I just get bored. Like when it comes to my surroundings, if I keep being around the surroundings, I get bored easily. Like easily, I get bored. They made sure that thing was secure. They said nope. I am gonna clean it up, chill. But yeah, it's velvety, like right here, and they got the diamonds on it. The reason why I got this one is because on YouTube everybody else's is like it's black with diamonds. They got a skinny strip of diamonds on it, which I didn't want that one. I kept seeing it on YouTube, so I'm like, let's be different. Let's find something that had diamonds on it, or find something that was like a cute color. Like I wanted my car to be orange and black, but the seat covers was trash. I didn't like it. Plus it's fabric. Like fabric seats, to me it just feel like they come off quick. Like it's just like a bed sheet basically. You put a bed sheet on your seats. And then all the other ones, I wanted matte ones, but I think I'm gonna wait to get the matte seats. Like it's like a skin. Okay, it's like a skinny strip that go right here in the middle of your seat, and like you'll be able to see the tan part of my car. But I'm gonna wait to get that. So let's put the steering wheel on. Hold on. I gotta fix this. Okay. Dang. You're not gonna be able to see the whole thing. Hold on. Okay, that was a struggle, bruh. Okay, let's put the steering wheel on. I think, I don't think it's gonna fit. Bruh. I didn't measure, bruh, I did not. Okay, this will be a good time not to have nails, bruh. Something told me to take my nails off, but I didn't want to take them off because I wanted to go get them done. This is not a nail video. Oh snap, bruh. This thing is not. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god. And I had it. This sucks. to be different, bruh. Bruh. I am finna cry. My car look extra boring without it. And then I'm like, Can the things open? Can we? It's something right here. Ow. I'll be back, y'all. So my dad came out and helped me put the steering wheel on. I am so happy he could get it on because I could not get it on. It's probably because like I do have nails on, so I didn't really want to hurt my finger because that shit hurts. My bad. But yeah, he got it on. Thank you. I was so happy when he got it on because I did not think I did not want to have to buy another steering wheel cover because I was not about to buy one off of Amazon. Them things cost too much. At Walmart they were cheaper, but I could have found a cute. They had a black one that like had diamonds like randomly out through it. It wasn't like this, but it had like diamonds through it, so I would have been fine with that. It was cute too, and it would if I would get matte seat covers, it would have looked pretty. But I'm glad he got this one on. So I got a bag full of stuff right here, and then I'll get to the light thing. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So the stuff that I got in here, like my hands, oh my god, they get so dry like now. So I got this Beach Night Summer Marshmallow Lotion from Bath and Body Works. It's Ultra Shea and it lasts for 24 hours. Not really, lotion does not stay on me like that. So I think I'm gonna put like, I got a drink thing on right here. I'm gonna put like, well, I don't know if I'm gonna put it right there because it's like a drink thing right there. So I might put it like in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like, I'm gonna put it in here. Like it's 2 levels at the top, and you got the one on the bottom. So I think I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. Or am I? No, I'm not gonna put it right there. I'm gonna set that to the side. So I got 2 different perfumes. Which one? I got the one that I use the most, which I need to stop using it the most because it really smells good. It's Bali coconut scent. I was gonna say it smells like coconut, but yeah, it smells it. It's like 2 scents into it. It smells like coconut, but it smells like something else. And then I got this In the Star perfume. They both from Bath and Body Works. This one kind of smells like a man, ain't gonna lie. But I like this one so much. When I tell you I used it a lot. The reason why I didn't get the big version because I didn't know if I was gonna like it a lot. Like coconut stuff, I like the smell of coconut, but I don't like eating coconut. It don't taste good. And then I got this big jar of Vaseline for like if I forget to bring like lip gloss or something. So I got big thing of Vaseline, which I don't know why. Matter of fact, you ain't even gotta use it for your lips. If I run out of lotion, put it on your legs, girl, or your arms, or elbows, wherever you need to put the lotion on. But I made these lip gloss. I used to sell lip gloss, not that much. I wasn't good at selling it, but I'm gonna try to make my own business with the stuff, but not right now. I'm gonna wait until like I'm going to be consistent with it. But yeah, this one is like it got like glitter in it, which I don't like it got like chunks of glitter in it. I don't like it, but I can get used to it. Just need to put some like on my lips or something. But it's like, I think it's peppermint. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna smell it. Yeah, it's peppermint scented and flavoring oil in it. So peppermint is pink. It's like a pinkish red. My knuckles are bruh. Okay, and then this one, it got like this purple dust, it's like a purple dust powder into it. Like I mixed it up with like purple dust. Ain't no, it's like glitter. It's glitter in it, but the glitter in it doesn't like get on your lips. Like you won't feel it or nothing. Which I like this one better, because like the glitter, you won't feel it on your lips. But yeah, it's peppermint and coconut scented. The purple is coconut, and the clear with sparkles in it is peppermint. And then, okay, it's the same one, just got more coconut. Not for real, but in this one, more coconut. And then they both coconut and peppermint, so I got that. Oh, I need to get stuff for my kids. I want to get this like alarm thing where like you pull it, or I think, yeah, you pull it and then it's like loud. Like they had it at Walmart, but I ain't get it because I spent basically all the money I had on the stuff from Amazon, because it came all together. It came up to 100 and something. So yeah, and then this is what my key looked like to my car. It's like that, bro. When I lock it, the horn is so loud, bro. It scares me. So yeah. When I tell you, when I drive, I get hungry. So I got these like Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna put a little bit up in here because I want to eat them later. So I got these Jolly Ranchers, and me beat like the fruit flavor. What's these things called? What is these things called, bruh? Cough drops. There you go. I hate like lemon, like stuff like lemon flavor cough drops. I cannot keep them. As soon as I taste them, it's like, ew. How do y'all eat this? Like literally, I'd be like, how do y'all eat this? I can't. So yeah, I got watermelon flavored. And then, like, for my girls, safety, forget them at home. I got pads. One thing I forgot to get was wipes, like baby wipes. I don't use like Summer Eve baby wipes because I like the smell of them. I hate the smell of them. I really hate the smell of them. Like, people say they smell good. I don't like them at all. So I just use regular unscented baby wipes to like get, you know. I ain't even gonna tell y'all. It's for the girls. Girls know. So yeah, I got like the big pads. Like they big, they like long, but they're long, but they're not thick. Like I get with the thick pads, I get really uncomfortable. So I use these throughout my whole period, bro. So yeah, they're long and thin. So perks. I'm gonna pick. You know what? I ain't even gonna put them in my glove compartment because what if I gotta go papers in there? So yeah, I got hair ties because I don't know why I got this many. Matter of fact, yes, I'm happy I got this many. So I got hair ties, and then of course with this pandemic, we gotta wear a mask. Got a blue one right here. I just wear this one the most, so just in case I forget this one in the house, because I do when I get to the store, I forget to take it off, so like it be under my chin when I leave at the store. So I got that. That's basically it I got in this bag. In this bag right here, so I'm gonna put that right there. So I think I'm gonna put like, okay, so my lip gloss and stuff right here. I'm gonna put this right here. Hold on, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, y'all. My phone was about to die, so I'm gonna put the hair bows and stuff up in here, and then it's like changing here That's a dime right here. So I got change in here. So I'm gonna put like quarters or stuff. I got 2 pennies in there, so I ain't bugging. Like put change in here. So like I ain't the type of person that's gonna put like the change in like the cup holders, so my cup holders can get nasty. No, I don't like things that look nasty. My car is not going to be nasty because I hate cars that just look nasty and got trash all over the floor. So I ain't gonna do that. So, and then I got some gum right here. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna put this. So, yeah, I'm gonna put it like that, and then I'm gonna put my mask in here. No, I'm not gonna put a mask in here. I'm gonna put the mask like on the door of my car. So, like it's like this little spot where the doors are. I'm gonna stick them right there. And my cough drops. What's this little paper? Okay, cough drops can go in the glove compartment with the papers. And oh, matter of fact, I do have a space for these, so these can go in there. So I'm gonna put them under the cough drops. So if somebody go under, they gonna be like, "What this girl got?" yeah, I got them in there. What you gonna say about it? No, it's playing. Yeah, I'm gonna stick the cough drops in front of it. You can't see it. Close that up. You know what? Okay, hold on. This little thing, you press this right here, and it pops up. I'm gonna take the lotion, put it in there, and then take perfume. I don't know if it's gonna close. Yeah, it's gonna close. And then I'm gonna put the other perfume in here. And then I don't know if the Vaseline pushing it. It's not gonna close because of this one. I don't know. Something is in the way. Okay, now it's closed. Okay, now I need to find somewhere to put this perfume. Maybe it go in the glove compartment. Maybe. Okay, hold on. Yep, right there. And then I gotta find somewhere for the Vaseline. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna put the Vaseline right here. This is the only place it could go, and I think it's going. I don't know if it's going to be able to stay right there. Yep, it can stay. Yep, it can stay right there. Okay, that's about it, huh? I need to hurry up with this lights in. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna put all that trash. I'm gonna put all the trash in the box right there, and then I can take it to the trash. I don't know. My fingers still hurt, bro. I'm trying to put that. What's it called? So the flavors are blue raspberry, green apple, cherry, wild strawberry, and watermelon. It's only green, red. Okay, so the strawberry and watermelon is the red ones right here. Bro, my motherfucking fingers. Bruh. Okay, so I'm just gonna get. Where's the blue one? They just really jipped me. The blue ones, I don't have that many. I only got one blue. That's going in the house. Bruh. No, I only got 2 blues. So I'm put a couple in here because I like the snack. Like, I like the snack. And then I was gonna get a trash can for my car, but I ain't got a room. And then on top of that, what is a small little trash can that's gonna fit in the cup holder gonna do with the big trash I have? Like, say if you're going to McDonald's, how is a quarter pounder box gonna fit into the trash can. And a quarter pounder. Fire. Don't judge. I got all green right here. I got a couple, no, I got green on that. I know a couple people that might like green. Put the blue ones back in here and I'll put this in the house. Okay, so that's basically all the small stuff. I'm gonna put this trash bag in the house. Boxes, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get done putting the lights on. I'm gonna show you the lights and then I'm gonna do the outro. So see you in a little bit. Like with the lights on, I put one of the lights right here, and then I put one up there, cause like it's just like weird. They was not sticking for nothing, but I hit the wires, like you could see it right there, and then this. But that's what my car look like. We got the steering wheel, then we got the little mount, and then we got this. We got the little wireless one, then we got the gear shift, got the lights, we got all this necessities, and then that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of a struggle, but not really a struggle. I really like this car. This car is nice, I ain't gonna lie, it's really nice. And it could, like the cords, I don't know if they could be high better, but I don't know. I'll probably have to do it like off camera again, because it's like cords all over the place, but they're not by the gear shift, so they're not bothering me. But they're really pretty. I wonder what they look like at night. I'm probably gonna come back out here and look at night, but I don't know. But it's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.